this time, my journey is going to take me further south. The last time I was in this van on a journey was when I went to Corsica, and that was a really good trip. I've decided to get away from work just for a couple of days. A pre-bank holiday weekend, if you see what I mean. And I'm doing that to miss the crowds. So I'm back in the old beast, and I'm heading down to Penzance. And the reason I've come to Penzance is to catch the ferry to the Isles of Scilly, where I'm going to spend 48-ish hours wandering around the island. Now, you can't drive your own vehicle to the Isles of Scilly. You've got to park and either get on the ferry as a foot passenger, or you can fly. Well, I'm not flying because that's a little bit expensive. But I'm going to park the van up and see what's what.
Sailors passing on the street, are you ready for peace? Ships are filling up fast, are you ready for ease? Forget bad memories and leave those hurting knees behind. Birds are filling up the sky, are you willing to try? Right. Sing along as they hum and be fulfilled. Many more will come, many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit. We will keep it steady. We will be the confetti. If we fail, we just reboot.
Absolutely fantastic. It's a stark change from the drizzle of mainland UK. Let's hope it stays like this for the remainder of the 48 hours-ish that I'm here. Got a bit of a trot to do up to the campsite, which is just a bit over there actually, from the garrison, so it's not too far. My bags are going to follow. That's the part of the treat for a small charge. They'll take your bags wherever they need to go on the island. So enough chatter. Let's get on the road.
Grass is greener on this side. Are you ready for new? New beginnings, new pride. Let your spirit shine through. Many more will come, oh, many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit.
Oh, this is absolutely epic. 10 minutes on the island, and already I'm wishing I was here longer.
And we will keep it steady. We will be the confetti. And if we fail, we just reboot. Cause nothing us back. Oh, nothing can take us down. We stand joined. Many more come on, many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit. Yes, we will keep it steady. We will be the confetti. And if we fail, we just reboot. We just reboot.
Well, that's home sorted. Now that's all that's left to do is to have a look at the island. Well, I suppose I cheated really when I said I was going to look around the island, but it doesn't help to get the drone out. There's a bit of a flying zone here, or a no-fly zone, shall I say. So I had to be pretty careful, which is probably why it didn't go up as high. Little bit nervous there, but anyway, I'm currently in the garrison campsite. Really quaint place, run by a chap from the Midlands. Although he hasn't been there for a good couple of decades. Really friendly chap. Ted's the name. Bag was here when I got here. Got here before I did. Can't be any better than that. I'm currently, having put the tent up, I'm going to go down to the town, I think, and see what's what. Apparently today and Friday there are the world famous gig races. I'm not quite sure where it kind of takes off from or comes into, because sometimes they go out from the island and sometimes they come back into the island, so it's going to be a bit of a suck it and see type of thing. So hopefully I will get to see it and video it. But anyway, really nice campsite, really quiet and quaint. It's just me making all the noise. So enough of me now. I'm going to go into town and see what's what. Just back from a stroll around the town, really quaint. What a nice place to be. And even in the town it's a quiet type of busy. Absolutely love it. Gonna have to come back here for a extended period of time. But as I said, I'm just back in the tent, just sorting my stuff out this evening. Gonna go back into town, watch the gig racing if I can find it, or find where to watch it from. And then tomorrow it's gonna be a circumnavigation of the island. So what's a gig? Well, a gig is essentially a rowing boat, and these boats have been used on the island, it would seem, forever by the people who live here. And these boats go out to sea in order to do a number of things. Back in the day, do a bit of plundering of those ships that were shipwrecked close by, and in more recent times to race out to the boats in order to pilot them back in safe passage. And I was watching a programme only the other day about this, and it would seem that possibly the term getting the gig might have come from this, but then again it might not. But anyway, these boats have been going on forever, as I said before, and some of these gigs are a few hundred years old. And what happens every Wednesday and Friday apparently is there are two races. Today's is the women's race, and it goes from a point out towards Tresco back to the bay, and there's a number of these gigs racing each other. And on the Friday, that's the men's race, and that goes from Tresco. Some of them go from St Martin's and some from St Agnes, or there or thereabouts. I'm not too sure about the whole thing, it's a bit sketchy, but I'm going to try, if the weather holds out, to get the drone out and get a closer look at the gig racing. If not, then I apologise, but I'd rather not do it and keep the drone than do it and lose it, if you see what I mean. So we'll see. Gig racing a go-go.